Welcome to my channel, The Learning and Reading Spot. Travel English I can use. ট্রাভেল ইংলিশ শিখব। আমরা ভ্রমণে গিয়ে কী কী করি বা কী কী করতে হয় সেগুলি ইংলিশে আজকে জানব। তো চলুন। I plan my trip. I plan my trip. I book a hotel and flight. I pack my clothes. I zip my suitcase. I zip up my suitcase. I check my passport. I check my passport. I take my travel bag. I take my travel bag. I call a taxi. I call a taxi. I leave my house. I leave my house. I arrive at the airport. Uh, I arrive at the airport. I walk into the terminal. I walk into the terminal. I look in the screen and check flight number. I look in the screen and check flight number. I check my passport and get boarding pass. I check my passport and get boarding pass. I board the plane and find my seat. I look out in the window. I look out in the window. I drink some water. I drink some water. I wait for the landing. I wait for landing. I get off the plane. I get off the plane. I walk through the airport. I walk through the airport. I leave the airport. I leave the airport. I go to my hotel. I go to my hotel. I get my room key. I get my room key. I enter my room. I enter my room. I go out enjoying the trip. I go out enjoying the trip. I visit a famous place. I visit a famous place. I take some pictures. I take some pictures. Buy some foods and I try local dishes. I walk around the city. I walk around the city. I enjoy my trip. I enjoy my trip. I go to back hotel and take some rest. Follow the learning and reading spot for more easy English. এতক্ষণ আমরা যে বাক্যগুলি শিখলাম সেগুলো বলতে পারলে আমরাও ইংরাজি বলতে পারবো। If we can say the sentence we have learned so far, we too will be able to speak English. থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং। ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লাগে লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন।